попить.
Alright. Lev, you taking pictures? I got the video.
Yeah.
You gonna do the video?
I'm doing the video right now.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Все. Пойдете на дно. Акула.
Don't worry, YouTube will translate it. This is what happens when you travel on board of Russians. We are no Russian. Are you? Oh, I figured. So that makes 3 of us no Russians.
Yeah.
Inside joke now.
I could never do that because the captain is Russian.
Yeah, that What's his name?
Alexei Sokolowski.
Very Russian.
You had to practice that a couple times, didn't you?
I did, yeah. I can spell it though. Z-A-K-A-L-A-S-H-N-Y-U-K.
Wow.
Did they make you learn that?
No.
He's like, to stay on ship, you must learn my name. Or you die.
No, he's not like that at all.
Iceberg. Piece of ice, yes. Stolichnaya and iceberg.
If you try some poisonous wine, I might have it covered too.
See, like Lev and I bought these shockproof, waterproof, crushproof, everything cameras for this. You could drop this in the sea, no problem. Pick it back up, you go again.
That's good. China buying you a drink for taking care of what's going up there.
It's hard filming, I keep my balance. almost there. Where's that? Yeah, you grab that motherfucker.
Don't want to bounce out of this thing.
No. Definitely don't want to. That would suck. Royally. I'm the king of the world! Puta! Should go with my wife to the Caymans.
Don't you miss Small Bridge?
Huh?
Don't you miss Caribbean right about now?
I feel so Caribbean right now. I want a rum and coke and some calypso and steel pan. Exactly what I want. I'll be friends with Bob Marley quick.
Море нас встречает.
You don't want to ride?
Again!
Помнишь, да?
Руку нажать. Alright. Yeah. All the best. Go. Go. Thank you.
You made it.
Absolutely. And we're still on video.
Thank you. Nope, you don't have to do that just now.
There
Give
you
me
go.
a hand. Hi, welcome aboard.
Hello.
You're welcome. Thank you. I'll grab it.
Oh,
Uh-uh.
no, it's not. No, it's not.
All right.
No, it's not.
Okay, guys. I will show you to the
It's
next.
just videoing.
Welcome.
Oh, that is. Happy New Year. Thank you.
There you go. All right, guys. Please follow me. You go right down this hallway. You'll see a staircase to your left. Go up the staircase, and you are at the main lounge. Reception will take your passports and show you to the dining room.
At the end of the corridor.
Yes, at the end of the corridor, there will be a flight of stairs to your left.
All right.
All right, guys, see you in a bit. Get warmed
Yes,
up.
sir. Okay, on.
We're warm and excited.
Согласно купленным билетам. 229. Теплее. Сейчас я выберу свой номер. Теплее. 221.
Практически там. Это у нас какие окна?
Квадратные пошли.
Room.
Хорошо или плохо?
Это лучше, чем круглые.
Значит, все будет хорошо.
Настроение не меняется. Самое главное, это
Я либо в баре, либо буду на палубе.
какой компания.
Thank you very much. Take one on the corner and leave your pass and touch with the reception.
All right.
Okay.
This way.
Okay.
have plenty of stuff.
Got stuff going. I don't believe.
Here and first, I'll do it today.
Oh, lunch. Lunch.
We'll be having the race that they
You believe
give
it?
me right now. And whatever. Thank you. I'm gonna give.
I'm just glad I didn't fall fucking snow. Alright.
We're gonna throw our stuff down. I think we can put our stuff down. We gotta put our stuff down. Putting our shit.
Okay, that was pretty intense. Because I'm fat.
You can leave your bag over there and have lunch today. Hello, welcome on
Hi.
board.
There
You
you
know
go.
your cabin number by chance?
203.
203. You are Samka?
Indeed.
Okay, 203, sir.
That's excellent that you know my name without even looking at my cabin number.
You know your cabin number? 201. 201. 201. 201.
Thank you.
Where's the captain? I want to be the captain, man.
Right now?
I am the captain. That's not.
Keep walking, Russian.
I hate shoes.
Yet you're on a ship.
I just remembered. It's not my favorite.
Well, that was awesome, Lev.
Like a boss.
Like a boss. That's what you have when you have a combination of bosses.
And let's play it down for dice so he doesn't feel left out.
Yeah, we'll probably join that My daughter as well. She kind of
Excuse me. I was not
now
prepared
it's
for that.
Yeah, you can't pull a seat over.
Oh,
Nah.
that is true. Probably go. Huh? Yeah, it's a Russian base, so like a couple of Russian people who are on board here wanted to go crazy.
Anybody here? Excellent. I'm assuming these things don't
How's the
move.
food?
Is it Russian? Holy crap. I was not prepared for that walk.
Small Russian church.